Hey guys, Jamie Nicholls here from Direct Forex Trades, and I just wanted to give you a little update of our SWIPECOIN app and some of the results we've been getting from September. Now, if you can have a little look here, let's make this bigger. Okay, so the SWIPECOIN results for September, 3,185 pips. That is huge, absolutely huge. And 82% accuracy. So obviously 12 trades were taken, 9 wins, 2 losses, and 1 break even. This is massive, and this is fantastic because with this SWIPECOIN app, you can basically earn as you learn, as I like to say. It's basically you can just copy, paste, trade. So basically this app is basically just helps you learn to trade or learn to earn some cash as you're learning to trade. The fantastic Picasso, who is the master trader for this app, is giving us huge results to our members. So if this is something that you'd be interested in, learning to trade, but also using this app to actually earn as you learn at the same time, so you're getting that money in your pocket every single month at the same time as learning how to trade for yourself, then get in touch with me now and we'll get you plugged into our system and get you learning and earning.